Hello. Have you heard the news? Tesla are opening 15 of the UK Superchargers to non-Tesla cars. I did a video about a month ago saying that they were looking at it. In fact, it was the UK Minister of Transport suggesting that they were going to do it, and now they have. Now this is really hot news. It was announced just a few days ago at Aberystwyth, Addlestone, Aviemore, Banbury, Birmingham, St Andrews, Cardiff, Dundee, Flint, Folkestone, Grays, Manchester, Trafford, Thetford, Thumpington, Uxbridge and Wokingham. Now I've been to 4 of those, 2 in Wales, 2 in Scotland, and 1 quite recently, and I have to admit they're not the most busiest. I've been to some much more busier ones and they haven't opened those up. So what do you think? This is part of their worldwide program, certainly in Europe, more so than in America, because they've been testing in the same way in Holland, Norway, France, Sweden, Austria and Belgium. How it will work is the non-Tesla driver will have to download the app and set up an account with a payment method, with a credit card. They then have an option to pay $10.99 a month to get their electric at the same price as a Tesla driver, or they don't have to pay the $10.99, in which case the electric will be more expensive. So if you're paying $10.99 a month for using a Tesla Supercharger, you're getting it the same price as a Tesla driver, and that's not a bad price. £11 a month if it's one you're going to use regularly. Of course, the all 83 UK Superchargers are not in the scheme. It's for the moment just the 15. Incredible news, because do you have a Tesla? Is this going to make you angry? Are you thinking of buying a Tesla, and is this going to put you off? The previous video I did, there were quite a few angry comments, and the majority were in favour of Tesla not doing this. In fact, one guy did say he bought a Golf ID because he thought that the entire network was going to be opened up to Tesla. So what do you think? Or would it put you off buying a Tesla? Would it make you want to buy a car other than Tesla? One of the big potential problems is that charge points for different EVs are in different places. Currently, the lead at a Tesla Supercharger is very short because Tesla charge points are all at the same place. You reverse in and there it is. But because they're in different locations, not all EVs are going to have the lead that reaches them. They may have to go in another way, and it's possible with some cars it's not going to reach. For instance, I'm wondering about the MG in the middle, which is at the front. Are they going to take up 2 places by having to park across 2 bays? If it's quiet, not a problem, but if it's busy, that could be a bit of a problem. And there are a couple of other makes that potentially could be taking up 2 spaces, so that could be an issue in future. I wonder if in the future, we haven't heard of it yet, obviously we've had road rage for a long time, are we going to have charge rage when people are taking up 2 spaces and it's very busy? Tell me what you think, I'd love to know. Certainly last time, a month ago, when this was being considered, there were a lot of comments, mostly negative and against Tesla introducing this scheme. But we'll have to wait and see what the verdict is, to see what you think. So have you used one of these and you're a non-Tesla user? I suspect you'll quite like the idea if it suits you. But of course, if you're driving on the motorway network, GridServe, I would argue, offer an excellent way of fast charging, and it's even cheaper currently than the Tesla Supercharger. I haven't used them exclusively. Most of the time I've used the Tesla because it's seconds quicker. It knows who you are. You don't have to download the app or do anything like that. All you have to do is reverse into the Tesla Supercharger, and it knows who you are. It is just so very, very simple. So Elon Musk says that superchargers in all countries will be available to all EV drivers over a period of time. It's controversial. What do you think? 2030, the government are banning the manufacture of all petrol and diesel cars. They'll only be electric. And overall in the UK, there are 42 new chargers being installed a day, and people say it's just not enough, the amount of people that are going to be having electric cars. Okay, a lot will charge at home, as I do, but not all, and it's claimed that we need a lot more superchargers. The government have announced they're going to be spending £1 billion on infrastructure for motorway EV points, which sounds pretty good. But did you know that the government received £21 billion a year on fuel duty? In other words, when you go to the pumps and buy diesel or petrol, in 1 year they receive £21 billion. And they're investing 5% of 1 year's income from duty on petrol and diesel. Are you a non-Tesla owner? Have you used one of these yet? And how did it go? And was it a simple process? I suspect it is. If it's Tesla, the software should be good. Or are you thinking of buying a make other than Tesla? And would this encourage you to do so? And what do you think? Please let me know in the comments below. Hope you can subscribe and like. Don't forget to use your reusable coffee mug. Right, home now, in the wall.